If you are making a cube-shaped pillow, how much fabric do you need? What about a glass jewelry box? How much glass? How do you know how much cardboard you need to make a cereal box? This is a rectangular prism. It has 6 regular faces. We can find the total surface area of it by finding the area of every rectangular face. If the prism was flattened into a net, we could see all of the rectangular faces of the prism. In this video, we are going to find the surface area of a rectangular prism by printing the faces of the net on a piece of paper and finding the total area of each face. Supplies include a foam rectangular prism or a sponge, some paint, ruler, paintbrush, and paper. Paint one side of the block. Then stamp it on the paper. Do the same with all of the sides of the prism. So what are we finding on this, Teddy?
The surface area.
How many rectangles are on each side of that sponge?
2.
2? How many altogether? You see any more? What about the skinny rectangles?
6.
6, you're right. Continue stamping on the paper until all sides of the prism have been printed. Watch out for messy hands. These are the faces of a rectangular prism. We can find the total surface area, finding the area of each rectangle. To find the area of each rectangle, we need to measure the length and the width of each rectangle. So what's the measurement of that?
It's 3.5 inches. 3 inches. Look at all my projects.
Find the surface area of each rectangle of the prism. These individual lengths and widths become rectangular areas that are added together to become the total surface area of the rectangular prism. To get the total surface area of the rectangular prism, add all the individual rectangles together.
There are about 27 square inches in the surface area.
Very nice. So how do you find the surface area of any box? Well, it's just a rectangular prism. Figure out the area of each individual side by measuring the length and the width. Multiply the length and the width for each individual side. Add up the area of all of those faces that you just calculated, and there you have the total surface area.